Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Misfits Market unboxing. I didn't order any extra marketplace items this week. Whatever you see in the box is what I got with my base package. So let's go ahead and get into it. Nice ice pack on top. Not that I need it in this cold weather. So the first two items are the two varieties of lettuce that I ordered. I didn't get any lettuce last week, I just got mustard greens, so I wanted to try for two different kinds of lettuce just to make sure I'd get at least one of them, because sometimes there are substitutions. I ended up with some nice green leaf lettuce and some butter lettuce. So I will chop both of those up, spin them out, and make a salad mix for my lunches. I also ordered two varieties of broccoli. I haven't been getting my broccoli, I've been getting substitutions each time, so I wanted to double my odds, and I actually got them both this week. Not mad at that. I've been on a stir fry kick lately, so I'll just put it in my stir fry. Next up is spaghetti squash. I got that a couple of weeks ago and loved it, so I wanted to have that for dinner again sometime this week. And here's a nice head of organic cauliflower that'll go great in the stir fry and with veggies and dip. Next up we have a couple of apples. I always try to get at least one fruit in my box, and apples are what is in season right now. Next up we have a couple of green bell peppers. I'll use that in my stir fry as well. Onion. I always grab an onion. I use it in so many different kinds of cooking. A cucumber, that'll go good for salads. I ordered a yellow squash. It got smashed in transit, but I will cut that up right away and put it in my lunch tomorrow. And then lastly, I just have a bunch of loose beans, which is unusual. Usually they bag them up for me, but this week I just kind of toss them in the box. So I'll grab a container and just throw those in until I'm ready to wash them and trim them. Just gather them up. They look like really good beans, and I'm sure we'll love them. We always love our beans from Misfits Market. So to recap, today I got stuff for veggies and dip basically, salads for lunch all week, and sometimes I'll pair those with a stir fry. So I'll just lay everything back out again. And I just got everything laid out when I realized I left my cauliflower off to the side, so you'll see it appear again in a second. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with everything I got this week. It all looked super fresh, super good. It works perfectly with my meal plan for the week. So overall, pretty happy camper. Once again, thank you so much for coming back to check out my box with me. I'll see you again next week, and I'll also have a Goodwill jewelry unboxing later in the week. So I'll see you then. Take care. Have a great week.